Make sure that the content of grammar, as I said, is kind of accumulative content. Okay, what do I mean by that?
When you smile, be sure to smile wide.
هنتكلم في المحورين الرئيسيين كده اللي هو المحور الاول، يعني ايه تواصل؟ نقصد ايه كلمه تواصل بين المعلم؟ وايه شكل التواصل ده؟ والمحور الثاني اللي هو
Because the pain will soon become.
Well, that's for you to know that dealing with the parents can be challenging.
As big
Number one says, read everything carefully before doing anything. Okay?
come true when you dream big.
I'm never gonna make it far if it's my only northern star, so I'm trying.
حضرتك في بريد مثلا تعمل تراكم بلا
بالنسبه للبروسس these guys
I've lost too much time and joy.
الاسلوب الاول هو الموضوع الاساسي. كيف احكم على فصلك بانه فصل سيء؟ اولا
Chances every day.
sentence حاجة عن الكلمة
Every day brings opportunity.
تتكلمش عنها.
You walk with pride. Don't show the hurt inside, because the pain will soon be gone.
Just first one behind. Go with the person management and person discover.
النقطة اللي هنتكلم فيها دور البرنامجين والفراشة. اللي أنا
Cause when you dream,
some questions about the field.
Yeah, it's okay if you want.
when you dream big.
الأمم بتاخد على أعتقد الرئيس دلوقتي مباشر فأنت الاعتبار باللغة العالية
Laugh out loud, cause it will carry all your cares away.
You receive information, so it's more teacher-centered, right? Okay, now
even like this.
It will help you feel okay.
That's a science,
When
technology,
you
engineering, and math.
pray for strength to help you carry on when the troubles come your way.
السؤال اللي هنا اللي ياخد الزنبي أو
Dream big, as big as the ocean blue. 'Cause when you dream it might come true.
نتكلم إن شاء الله عن العلاقات الاجتماعية.
When you dream big.
مستوى اعلى شويه. انا خلاص اللاعب عندي هديله 20 ثانيه يشتغل.
تقسيم المبادرات ولازم يبقى فيه توجيه.
أحيانا مثلا أجي أكتب
And when you laugh, be sure laugh out loud, 'cause it will carry all your cares away. And when you see the beauty all around and in yourself, and it will help you feel okay. And when you pray for strength to help you carry on when the troubles come your way. When you dream big, as big as the ocean blue.